Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Pupils Mentor. Today we shall solve Unit 1 of IGCSE EDEXCEL Mathematics A, Book 1. Kindly do watch the entire video and upcoming ones in which we shall learn and cover all the units and exercises of this book in a very easy and simple way. So let us start. This is exercise 1, and we shall simplify the fractions. Okay. So here we write question. So little pen is having an issue. Yes, question 1. Okay. It's 8/12. We shall find a number, the highest number which can divide 8 and 12 together. So if I know that 2 divides 8 and 12, but if I find the higher number, which can be 4, so which can divide 8 and 12 at the same time. So we shall divide numerator and denominator with 4. So we divide 4 times 2 is 8 and 4 times 3 is 12. So our answer is 2/3. Now we go for question 2. This is 16/24. Now again we find the highest common factor of 16 and 24. So if I think 8, think of 8. So 8, if I divide 16 by 8, so can we divide 24 by 8? Which I think yes. So it will be 8 times 2 is 16 and 8 times 3 is 24. Now you see 2 and 3, we cannot divide them, both of them, with the same number. So which is our simplest form. In other ways, we can say this is the answer of question number 2. Now question 3. 15/45. Now we find the highest number. 5, as you know, 5 is the number which divides 15 and 45. But higher than 5 could be 10. No, if we divide it by 10, 45, we cannot, we may have a decimal. But if we divide 15 and 45 by 15 itself, do we get any answer? Like 15 times 1 is 15. And we can divide 15 times what equals 45. So this will be 15 times 3. So our answer is 1/3. 15 times 3 is 45. Now we come for question number 4. 56/84. 56/84. Now we think of a number which divides both, and its number should be the highest one. So question 4. It's a big number. So if we want to find out a number which is the highest one, so we use the highest common factor method. So we check out like this. We put 56 and 84 together, and we write here, we divide both numbers by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Then 1 carry, 2 times, what we say, 2 times 8 is 16. So 2 times 8 is 16. Now 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. Now we again will divide by, we see that, do you have a number which divides 28 by and 42 with the all together at a time? So if I think, I get 7. 7 times 4 is 28 and 7 times 6 is 42. Again we know that 4 and 6 can be divided together by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 3 is 6. Now we have a trick, like when we multiply these numbers, we get here 2 times 7 is 28, 28 times 2 is, so 7 times 2 is 14, times 2 is 28. So we divide both numbers by 28, and then we get here this 56. Instead of 56, we write here 2, and instead the place of 84. When we divide 84 by 28, we get here 3. So our number, the highest common factor is 28, and our answer will be 2 upon 3. Now, if we look upon question number 5, you know, this is 6, 0.6 upon 1.2. You know, this is a decimal, and if I multiply, no, we can divide and multiply together, then with a fraction, and fraction remains the same. So what we do, we multiply both by 10. When multiply 0.6 by 10, you get here 6, and over 1.2 times 10, it will be 12. So now we divide both numbers by 6, and we get here 1 upon 2. Then question number 6 will go the same way, like here 0.9 over 2.7 times 10 upon 10. You will get here 9 upon 27. Now again we divide both by 9. Okay, so we get here 1 upon 3. Because 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. So here we have finished our questions number 1 to 6. Now we come for question number 7, 8, 9, and 10. Here it comes, copy and complete this table, giving fractions in their lowest terms. So now we know 4 upon 5, we want to convert it into decimals. So here, if for converting any fraction to decimal, we make sure that we get the at the bottom in the denominator, we get tens, hundreds, thousands, like that. So how we can convert this 5 into 10? So if we multiply and divide both numerator and this whole fraction by 2, right? So we get here 4 times 2 is 8 upon 10. Now we know 8 upon 10 is equal to 0.8, right? So this is the easiest way how we convert fractions to decimal. Next question is 3 upon 8. Do you know any method in which through which we can get which we multiply 8 and we get tens, hundreds, and thousands, and 10,000 like? I don't think so. We do have another this method. We cannot adopt it. So what we do, we put this numerator in the division, and then we put 3 as a dividend, and then 8 as a divisor. 3 is smaller, so I put here the decimal 0, 0, 0, and then we put the same decimal in the quotient here. So here 8 times 3 is 24. Now we divide, we get here 6, this 0 comes down, and this becomes 60. Because 6 was smaller than 8, so we couldn't divide it. So now 8 times 7, 56. Now I have 4 down when we subtract it, 8. And again we put down 0 from here. And then we have 8 times 5 is 40. Okay. So now it means this is our decimal, 0.375. Now, other way around, we are given here the decimals and we need to convert it into the fractions. So here question number 9, 0.75 means 75 upon 100. As you know, how many numbers, how many digits are there after decimal? That number of zeros we put in the denominator with 1. So we got here 75 upon 100. Same way, we shall be converting into in the slowest form, smallest form here, this is like it's written here, lowest terms. So here we find another number which can divide 75 and 100, and it's the highest number. So it will be 25. So when we divide numerator and denominator by 25, we got here 3 upon 4. And this is your answer. We put here 3 upon 4. Now, same way, question number 10. Here, 0.2 means 2 upon 10. Means when you divide both by 2, you got here 1 upon 5. So our answer becomes 1 upon 5. Okay? Easy? Now we go for question number 11 till 14. Again, we are said this question is saying mixed number. We have to convert the given improper fractions into mixed numbers. So question 11 is 8 upon 3. So we put this 8 in the division and then put 8 inside as a dividend and 3 as divisor. So 3 times 3 is 9, which is greater than 8. So we come for 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract, we get here 2. 2 is remainder. And this above here 2 is quotient. And this 3 is divisor. So the quotient come as a whole number and remainder will be coming as the numerator of fraction here 2, and then down divisor will come here, which is 3. So this is your answer for a question number 11. And if we go for question 12, 13 upon 4. Same way, we put division sign, 13 inside, 4 outside, 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract, you got here 1. Again, 1 is remainder, so 3 is quotient. We write here 3 is a whole, 1 upon 4. This is your answer, means the mixed fraction of 13 upon 4. Now we come for question 13. 17 upon 5. Same way, put division, 17 and 5 is divisor, 5 times 3 is 15 upon, you take away 15 from 17, you get 2. So now no more simplification. So we put here 3 whole 2 upon 5. This is answer for question 13. Now we come for question 14, which is 19 upon 7. So now 19 here, 7 times what equal to 9 nearest to 19? 7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 3 is 21. So 21 is higher than 19, so we cannot take 3. We just take only 2. 7 times 2 is 14. Subtract, you got here 9 minus 4 will be 5, I think. So this answer will be 2 whole 5 upon 7. Yes, correct. So now we come down. Question 15. Change each of these to an improper fraction. So improper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator. So question 15. All time the mixed number will be converted into improper fraction. It cannot be converted into the proper fraction. So here 2 whole 1 upon 3. So this denominator will be multiplied with this whole number and the answer will be added to the numerator. So here we got here 2 times 3, which is 6 plus 1 will be 7. So the answer will be 7 upon 3. Easy? Now question 16. 3 whole 3 upon 5 means 3 times 5 means 15. 15 plus 3 will be 18. So it means 5 times 3 and then the answer will be added to 3. So here you got here 18 upon 5. Then question number 17. Here we come, question number 17. So here 1 whole 5 upon 6 means again 6 times 1 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11 upon 6. I think this is easier. We don't have to do in a very expanded way because we know the concept now. Question 18. Now 5 whole 6 upon 7 means 6 times 5 will be 35. 35 plus 6. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. 41. 41 upon 7 will be our answer. Okay. Now, last 2 questions of the exercise. I think these are the word problems. So we should do it very carefully. Question number 19 shows 18 minutes as a fraction of an hour in its simplest form. So 18 minutes as a fraction, as we know that how many minutes are there in 1 hour. So here 60 minutes into 1 hour. Okay, so it means we have to divide 18 minutes to get the fraction. So 18 upon 60 and we shall convert it into the simplest form. So when we find out its highest common factor, what should be the highest common factor of 18 and 60? So I find if I divide 18 by 6 and 60 by 6, I get here 3 upon, because 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 10 is 60. So this is our answer because this we got fraction in the simplest form of question 19. Now we come for question 20. Question 20 states, Greg buys a ring of $500 and he sells it for $750. Write the selling price as the fraction of the cost price. So the selling price will come above and the cost price will come down. So here I write here 750 upon 500. Now I keep on dividing. It's going to be a big one. So it's really easy. We can cancel this 0 with this 0. We got here 75 upon 50. Now we find a number which divides, the highest number which divides 75 and 50 together. So if I divide both by 25, we get here 3 upon 2. Or if I convert it into the mixed number, so then we get here 2 times 1 is 2, and then we got here 1. So here, or 1 whole 1 upon 2. So this is the answer for question number 20. 1 whole 1 upon 2, or 3 upon 2 is the answer. Okay. So hope you have understood it well. And there is no confusion at all. But if still you find some, then you can write in the comments. And just if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, press subscribe button right now and click on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out the live classes and the upcoming videos next. Thank you very much for watching.